Hey y'all, I'm Devon, and I love DIY. I used to be a professional dancer and aerialist in Vegas and on cruise lines, but I've recently been promoted to being a proud mama and a creative coach. I'm producing DIY projects live each and every week to bring you the best tutorials, guests, crafts to cash instruction, and creative content. So grab your iced coffee and let's get started. Hey guys, today we are making this DIY tassel garland, super quick and fun project. You're going to need a piece of cardboard. I just ripped this off the side of my latest Amazon delivery box. Let me get a good angle for y'all. You can see everything. Just cut this off the side. You're going to need different yarn. Doesn't really matter the size of the skein or the brand or anything like that. This is really cute if you want to do a 4th of July one. Really perfect for baby showers. In fact, I think I'm going to give this to my girlfriend for her baby shower. So first you're going to just take a length of your cardboard. It does not have to be exact. And you're just going to kind of put it at the top, just like this, resting at the top. No tape or anything to hold it down. And you're literally just going to wrap the yarn around 40 times, making sure that little yarn piece stays horizontal. So you just want to catch it at the top, and this is making your tassel. So the size of the cardboard is just as long as you want your tassels to be, basically. And you can make them a little bit longer and then trim them all at the end. I've seen all different lengths and sizes. There's so many different ways you can skin a cat on this one. So I'm just wrapping the yarn around. And this is perfect to do while you're watching television, perhaps a hockey game. Go Knights go. I cannot wait for tonight's game. They better move on to the next round. Let me know how y'all are doing out there. Where are you if you're watching this? Where are you watching from? Is your team in the playoffs for hockey? Are you more of a baseball, basketball fan? No sports? Let me know if you think you'll be making this garland and what for. I'd love to see pictures. If you tag DIYprojects.com on Instagram, we would love to feature your garland and where you used it. Yeah, so just wrap and wrap and wrap and wrap. And also, there's no exact science to this. If you go above or below 40 wraps, it's going to look cute. So that's just kind of the ballpark number. My cardboard, it's getting a little crumply. So you can also use the inside of a shoebox. And here I'm snipping it at 40. Okay, so then I'm going to go back to that top and I'm going to double knot it. That's all I'm doing here. Just got my nails done yesterday. I get to go to Mexico tomorrow. I'm so excited. Going to Riviera Maya. Okay, and then you're going to trim the bottom. Just cut it in half. Snip. Cool. Then you're going to take it off your cardboard. And you're going to just kind of smooth it out. You're going to take a separate piece of yarn to make the little tassel shape at the top, and I'm literally just double knotting again here to make your little tassel. Super cutie. And I really like these. I might make some Halloween ones. They're super fast, super easy. If there's a yarn sale at your craft store, you can get all the supplies for super cheap. A dollar store gives you yarn for super cheap. So it's a really simple craft that just adds a lot of festivity to your decor. So then I'm just taking some extra yarn to strand them all together onto the garland. So these are the other colors I've done before the live. Did my homework. Oh, the dogs are moving. So I just did some bright colors. And I'm going to string them all on my little mint green string. And here's some blue. You can tie knots if you want to keep them in the exact same spot. I've seen people also strand little wooden beads in between. It looks really bohemian chic. It's really cute if you're gonna leave them up year round. And yeah, so is anyone drinking coffee out there? Tell me your coffee order in the comments, please. I would love to know what you're drinking. Which coffee shops are the best in your hometown? Let me know. Yeah, has anyone been to Riviera Maya? I'm super excited. It's outside Cancun. Super, super, super excited. Okay, I'm just gonna get these in order to make sure I don't have two of the same colors in a row. And it's looking pretty good. Okay, so I just tied a little knot on the end. And then I'm just gonna thread this underneath that little center thread that we tied everything together with. So that's going on. This one got a little screwy. It's fine. The fun thing about yarn is there's no big mistakes. You just keep going. And it looks cute. Oh, just how great do my nails look? They're so sparkly and happy. And I'm literally just putting these on a string. I'm not tying any knots or doing anything. I think I just want to put it on my mantle and see how spaced out they should be and just move them at that point. I've also seen people do little yarn balls in between the tassels, and it looks super cute. I've seen people do this with tissue paper instead of yarn, also a great idea. So these are perfect for summer parties. You can hang these on the outside of little coolers for pool parties. Make them really festive. Kind of seeing them pop up everywhere. Perfect for nursery decor. I've been looking a lot into lately. Yay! Fun, fun, fun. Okay. And last but not least, so I'm getting towards the end, and you can add as many or as few of the tassels as you want. Depends on where you're putting it. And it's kind of a wonky view. Hold on with me for just a second. I promise we're almost there. Yeah, so here's all of my little yarn tassels. I'm gonna go put this on my mantle and see how it looks. Oh, wait, one more purple. Oh, and we have blue too. I swear we're almost done. Yeah, do you like these colors? I think they're just really fun for summer. Nice, bold, bright, fun colors. Yay! All right, let's go put it up and see how it looks. Straighten out my little tassels a little bit, brush them up. And I have a nice heavy vase here, which is perfect for holding this end. I was just planning on taping the other end or putting like a picture frame on top of it. Starting to spread them out just a little bit. I know my pink one's the middle one. And voila! Idea of what they're gonna look like. Yay! Happy summer, Garland. Hope you all enjoy this. And I will see you next week live from Mexico. Cannot wait to see y'all there.